So spoken English without grammar, it is called broken English. Now if I ask anyone of you to tell your daily activities, anyone can say in English language daily activities. Daily activities means what do you do daily? Any one of you? Daily activities. What you do morning till evening? Yes?
First I woke up.
Where is Mike? Who's having Mike? Come. Just listen his daily activities.
First I wake up. Then I brush my teeth. Take a bath. And then get ready to school. And come to school. Attend classes. And go to home. And do homework. Study.